last time I did this video, it was the work from home edition where I took you through my entire day via food. This time I'm going to be showing you everything I eat when I go into the office. First thing I always start my day with is a cup of water. Depending on what I'm doing in the morning regarding my workout, I'm either going to be drinking tea or coffee. It's a yoga day, so we're doing tea this morning. And I'm very excited to be trying out this new brand of tea that I found in the supermarket. It's Legend, and they have these like themed tea drinks. So this one is Energy, and then I also have the sleep version as well. The Legend Energy tea contains holy basil, moringa, maridin, and apple flavor. They also have more in their wellness tea range. They have beauty, they have immune, they have energy, slim plus, digest, sleep, menopause supportive, focus, and detox. And here we have our morning tea. Now I'm going to go and work out. Once I'm done working out, I'm going to come back and show you all what I'm going to be doing for breakfast. Time for breakfast. I'm going to be eating a very simple meal of scrambled eggs and baked beans. Scrambled eggs are going to have some onion and also some bell peppers. If I had spinach, I would add, but I don't have. And in fact, it's one of the things I want to buy. I want to buy spinach plants because spinach in eggs is so good. I thought Oyinbo people were like tripping when I saw them putting greens in egg, but it's actually so good. Protein heavy breakfast like the one I'm having is really advisable for women with PCOS. Protein helps to keep us full for longer, helps to keep us satiated, and also is great for if you're building muscle and if you're trying to build your body, aka me that is trying to grow a fat ass. Breakfast is ready. Here are my scrambled eggs with baked beans, and I'm also going to be finishing off the remainder of my tea.
The story follows Rouse, a healer who can only use one basic spell and is expelled from a first-class party for being too weak. Take this synopsis, blank out the names, blank out the word healer, and I would have no idea what this is about. What is up with the Onisa? I know what you're doing, you can chill, you ain't even getting blood.
Alright gang, I am ready for work and I have packed up my lunch. I'll be showing you what my lunch is at the office. It's been a long, hard day and it's finally lunchtime. And for lunch, I'm going to be eating some homemade pasta. This is tomato and chicken pasta that I made myself. I try my best to eat food that I made at home as a way to save money.
Because I know that she's doing something.
But it's fine. All of you can come. I love it.
Yay! My name is Karintola, and this is Veronica, and then we are bombing.
YouTube.
Hi, I'm my best friend.
I have a YouTube channel. I'm on TikTok as well.
My best friend.
My best friend will fight you, but sure. I'm recording myself eating my lunch. That's all legit. I'm just eating lunch and recording myself. So dinner today is going to be a little bit different because of some certain circumstances. Number one, there is no lights. The national grid has collapsed again, so I can't grill my chicken in the oven. If I boil them, it's really just going to take away from the meal. So I made the executive decision and I decided to order barbecue and cravings for dinner. Once or twice a week, I order in, and this is usually what I'm ordering. This is the street style fried rice with chili prawns. This is what it looks like. So we have the beautiful fried rice here and the wonderful tasty sauce on the side. What I really like about barbecue and cravings is that their meals are so fucking worth it. This meal of fried rice and prawns, I know at any other restaurant will cost so much more, but this meal costs 8,750 naira, which is insane. Look at that big, beautiful, juicy prawn. And the sauce is slapping. The street style fried rice is spicy. Prawns and chili sauce are spicy as well, and I love it so much. The fried rice has carrots, has onions, has veggies. It's so good. There is something I always get on the side of their meals, and that is pickled onions. I love pickled onions. They're so good, but they slap even harder with this Chinese food.
And there's a fancy little soiree happening here. You come from an extremely well-to-do family. Your father, Professor Urban Rashbags, is published bestseller many times over. And your other father, Dr. Jeffrey Nichols, works here at the university as well. And he's a full research professor. He doesn't even have to teach classes anymore. He's just here working in theoretical.
It's sleepy time for Dee, and it's time for her to tuck herself in bed. But before she does that, she is going to be drinking some tea. Some sleep tea, to be exact. I have developed a habit of drinking chamomile tea before bed because it's really good for sleep. It helps you have better quality sleep. I think I've spoken about this before. I don't have the best sleep. Like, I wake up in the middle of the night. I don't sleep well. I developed this habit of drinking chamomile tea, and it's been working for me. I realize that I sleep longer now. I don't wake up as much in the night as before. At the supermarket, I was looking for just pure chamomile tea, but they didn't have any. So instead, I just decided to get the sleep tea. And this one has chamomile, peppermint, cinnamon, cardamom, and vanilla. That's perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Mwah! I love it. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it and appreciate you. Don't forget to chop up your veggies to the subscribe button so that you can join my family here on the internet. Eat lunch with your coworkers at the notification bell so that you always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Meal prep your way to the like button so that you can tell YouTube that this video is awesome and need to recommend it to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!